In the meantime, me and Umar, we signed up for ED Air Ambulance. I don't know if you remember, Umar.
Yeah, I remember because
Yeah. So there were a couple of disasters in Sindh. There was a big train accident. I think it
it's
was
Sakkar.
close to Sakkar.
Mm.
So
Yes,
we flew.
yes.
In fact,
Yep.
Umar's cousin, I think he was a pilot for ED Air Ambulance.
No, he was not
And
cousin.
Okay.
He was my political Sadi, Fahim Zaman. He became the
okay,
administrator of
Yes,
Karachi also. So Fahim
yeah,
yes,
actually
yes,
was the pilot and
yeah,
was the
yes.
helicopter pilot. So we brought
yeah.
Hmm.
essentially dead bodies and yeah,
So
basically.
we landed. I remember landed at the stadium of the Sakhar school.
Ladakana General Hospital Stadium. It was
Yeah,
down. It was like a donkey and a small stadium, and the hospital was like four prime ministers have passed through Ladakana, and the hospital was a absolute total a matter of shame for People's Party. That's how.
And
I mean,
it's
it
still
should
the
not have
same.
been same. Yeah,
It's
I bet
still
it
the
is.
same.
Yeah, I bet it is.
because when we
Still the
used to
same.
live in Sakhar, we lived about half a mile from that place. So it
Mm.
reminded me as we were landing that it was my old neighborhood. In fact, while we were waiting for the patients, I walked over there, and so there was
And
so
sadly, we crossed Monjodaro, which I saw
Hmm.
on top, and I looked at just the architecture of that, and then I looked at the hospital and I said, "Where? How far behind we have come
five
in these
five
three
five
thousand
Of
thousand
years?"
years
course.
behind.
5,000 years behind. Well, I think this
Yeah,
podcast has now gone. Uh, if we make it even longer, although with him, I think we can even keep talking all night. But to
yeah.
keep the interest alive, I would like to summarize it that what a
Okay.
pleasure it was. I mean, to
Yes,
know
indeed.
you and what you are doing for Pakistan, what you have done for people. I am amazed and I'm so happy that we did this.
Thank
And
you.
I
Thank
wished
you.
I
Likewise,
listened to my
Salman.
father. I
Yeah,
wished I listened
good
to
to know that.
my father before you. उन्होंने मुझे fourth year में बोला था, but I took it up when I was 40. And I started reading and all these things later on in life, and you probably did it earlier. And I think the human beings benefited more over there in Pakistan. Wakai. And keep it up. I mean, this is amazing. Maybe we will do it again at some point in time and learn from you that what we can do. And
Yeah.
it's just you are the star of our
Maybe
class.
maybe if you want, you can have this from your university or whichever your place of work, to showcase what you're doing. So everybody that would like to listen and be a part of it. So it's sort of like a live, you're just using
Actually,
your phone.
I have written a book,
Yeah.
Sure.
my memoirs.
Hmm. I
So
would
is
like
it
Good
to,
job,
published?
Salman.
yeah.
Is
Proud
it
of you, man.
published?
Where is it?
अभी जो है वो मतलब मैंने जो मेरा वर्किंग टाइम है वो सारा उसमें कवर कर लिया है.
Sure.
आई हैव टू राइट द चैप्टर सिंस माय रिटायरमेंट, वो अभी मैंने ऐड ऑन करना
Sure.
है उसमें. तो इट विल प्रोबेबली टेक लिटिल वाइल, मंथ और सो.
Sure.
मैं बाय दैट टाइम इंशाल्लाह उसको मैं कंप्लीट कर लूंगा.
We are waiting. And actually, the next one should be when you have done your book, and that's what we will discuss upon. क्या कहते हो सालिक?
श्योर.
Sit down again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So how
yeah.
do you intend to publish it?
अभी मुझे पता नहीं है किसी से. आई हैव नॉट स्पोकन टू एनीबडी
Here's
एक्चुअली.
my